So this year has been a pivotal year for us. We embarked on a strategy exercise to understand the prevailing winds in the social sector. We wanted to understand who we were trying to help, what could be of value and service to the sector. At the forefront of all that we do, our mission is to catalyze leadership for deeper social impact at scale. We at ILSS have always believed that the social sector is the backbone for development of any economy. The strong pillars of Samaj, Sarkar and Bazaar deserve not just recognition but strategic strengthening to amplify their tremendous impact across our nation. At the heart of all that we do are the non-profit organizations. We see them struggle with talent, with development, with retention, with funding, with governance, with technology. This is just to name a few. This is not an enabling environment. Today, 58% of medium-sized NGOs and 83% of larger ones struggle with these foundational capability gaps. And this is as per the India Dasra report. So the gap between aspiration and capability has never been more evident or more urgent to address. Thus, we took a step ahead to bring this mission alive and did our strategy exercise in 2023, which revealed a profound truth. The social sector needs a holistic approach to learning, building on programs to address its fundamental gaps and realize its full potential. This realization led us to reimagine ILSS, not just as a platform of leadership development, but as a holistic, full-spectrum leadership and management education institution. Our Vision 2030 document emerged from this process, mapping a path to creating lasting capacity for the sector over the next 5 years to create transformed leaders for a transformed society in a transformed world. 2024 marked our first full year of implementing this strategy. Over the past 7 years, we have built our core strength of delivering on high-quality learning programs. We wanted to go a step further this year and combine our strengths in program design, knowledge creation, network building, and thought leadership to establish 4 ILSS centers of excellence to address the aspiration capability gap. The centers focus on 4 crucial critical areas: leadership and talent, fundraising, board and governance, and digital transformation, which we believe are the most strategic levers of intervention that help nonprofits reach their desired impact. Each center is structured to offer not just learning programs, but also research, convenings, knowledge, and communities of practice. It's a big shift, and this year we laid the groundwork for that shift. Our growing team is at the heart of it all, stitching this together. As we stepped into this new chapter, we acknowledged the need to invest in people and ourselves, having strengthened internal capacity with Archana Ramachandran coming in as COO and bringing in 4 leaders to head each of our centers of excellence. As we say, we stand on the shoulder of giants, and that giant has been our advisory board, who has helped us in navigating each phase of this journey, hand-holding us, but also being our biggest critic to guide us in the right direction. And to all our funders, partners, and champions, thank you. Your partnership with us goes far beyond your investment. It represents a shared purpose and a deep belief in what we are trying to build. None of this would have been possible without your support. And last, but certainly not the least, our alumni, who are our true trailblazers. You are the center of it all. At the heart of everything we do is a deep, deep respect for the social sector leader. Thank you for being lifelong learners and choosing to be a part of ILSS in your transformational leadership journey. As we look ahead, I see ILSS evolving further. Our centers of excellence will continue to grow in depth and reach, creating ripples of transformation that extend far beyond individual leaders, touch entire organizations, and thus the ecosystem. Our work is future-focused, recognizing that results are not always immediate. And while we celebrate how far we've come, we understand that our most important work lies ahead. This past year was the beginning of something larger, and we're only just getting started.